Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix WhatsApp multiple account feature not available in the Android device. So if you're unable to find the recently updated feature of WhatsApp, which is the add account feature on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is, for that, you have to watch this video till the end. Now there might be various different reasons why the issue might have occurred. The first reason might be that the following feature is not available in the country or your region. Now if you're able to find the same feature on your friend's device, then it means there is an issue with the device itself or the application. So for that, you have to do certain step. That is, first of all, you can try updating your application. Sometimes you must be using an old version of WhatsApp, which might hinder the progress of updating your application. So basically, you have to go to the Play Store or an App Store and type in WhatsApp, and here you'll be able to see update, which means you have to update the application, or you can try uninstalling the application and reinstalling it, and that might be able to solve your issue. And after you've done with that procedure, open up a WhatsApp and your tap on the three dot icon, go to settings, and from the account you need to go to the arrow icon located right on top, and here you must be able to see the interface something like this. However, if you're unable to find this option after you've done that as well, then you can try contacting the support team stating about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. Or you can just check the server. Sometimes the server might be down and you might not be able to find the feature as well. Or you can just clear your cache as well as data also. So for that, long press on your WhatsApp and go to the app info icon, and here go to storage and cache. So make sure to clear cache and try reinstalling the application, and that might be able to fix the issue. So these were some of the steps on how you can fix WhatsApp multiple account feature not available in the Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.